Okay, so everyone, please welcome back on English Community YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss a very important topic because you know that we want to improve our communication skill and we want to perform on public place and we want to communicate with different kind of people. But you know, if you want to convey your message, if you want to speak something, that time you have to face a different kind of problem. It's a very common problem because whenever you want to speak with someone, that time most of the time you forget your all words. So this is a very common problem, and that's why I invited a very special guest today, and her name is Vaishali Jain. So Vaishali, welcome on English Community Channel.
Thank you, Kishore sir, and thank you so much for this tete-a-tete. You gave me
Okay,
a
okay,
chance to
okay.
share my.
So okay, my dear all viewers, Vaishali is from Madhya Pradesh, Shivpuri, and she completed his engineering, and right now she's preparing for competitive examination, and you know she's very good in English. She have a good command, so that's why I invited her for today's interview. Hopefully, this interview will definitely helpful to you. So please watch until the end, and it will definitely going to most helpful to you. So, Vaishali, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So, Vaishali, tell me one thing. We are discussing about the English. Okay, so my first question is why English is important?
Okay, sir. Before starting this interview, I want to state that I am proud of my mother tongue too, but I will discuss why in today's era why English is very important. Okay. So history of English is very old in India too, and official language of 53 countries. Ireland, there's a country Ireland. Their people rarely spoken their original language, and they use English as their more common language because Britain ruled over Ireland for 100 years, and English is most commonly spoken language, and it's open new career opportunities too. And if you are preparing for government exams, then it is hard to find syllabus in your local language, and it is easily available in English. And there are many reasons, like if you the it is the language of internet and media also. If you know English, then you can easily learn other languages also. And above all these things, actually people's mentality has changed. They judge your smartness and your intelligence on the basis of your English. So I think this is important now. Everybody should learn English.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, Vaishali. English is a global language, and if you have good knowledge of English, if you are best in English, good in English, so that's why it gives you a chance to explore more and more things. Because most of the there are lots of sources available in English. It's the language of internet. So yeah, definitely, English is definite. There is no doubt English is the most important language. Okay, on YouTube there are lots of people watching us live. Here is Jasprit Kaur, Pratik Prajapati, Gaurav, and Arun is here. Uh, my dear all viewers who is watching this video, I have some questions to. I'm going to ask some questions to Vaishali. But if you have some questions, so please you may ask your questions in the live chats, and we will discuss these questions with Vaishali. Vaishali will definitely give you this answer. So Vaishali, my questions you is you know that whenever mostly it happened with beginner that time that time when they just want to speak, that time they forget their most of the words. So tell me one thing, how to increase vocabulary, because if you want to speak, so you need a few words or some vocabulary. So tell me one thing, how we increase our vocab.
So one thing is that vocabulary can make your writing or speaking more powerful and effective, and help you say exactly what you mean. So you don't need to mug up the vocabulary. If you are a beginner, don't try with 20 words. Start from 4 or 5 words, and gradually you can increase your word limits as per your capacity. And for this, read anything. I mean anything like articles, magazines, newspaper, books, or follow English community channel. You will get everything there. This is important. And whenever you come across with a word, just look up or in dictionary or Google it.
Yes, yes, definitely, yeah. Because you know that vocabulary is more important. Is most important because without vocabulary, without word, how it is possible to communicate? So we need vocab. Tell me one thing. Which is the best source of vocabulary? Which is the best source of words? How we collect the words?
Actually, sir, there are many sources. Like uh, you can follow any magazine, any article, or you can follow. Even if you want to having fun in learning English, then you can also have an option of movies and songs too. And there are many applications. I follow one application, Mariam Webster, that is very good application for learning words.
Okay,
And there
okay.
are two
Wish.
websites
Yes, yes.
too.
Please continue.
One is vocabulary.com and second is dictionary.com. You can visit, they are brilliant.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Vaishali. You told how we collect the words. Now I receive one questions on YouTube Live. The question is asked by Gaurav Matlane. The Gaurav want to ask you how to build up vocabulary from newspaper.
Newspaper, okay. Uh, if
Yeah,
you
okay.
follow editorials, so just start making notes, okay? If you come across with a new word, okay,
Yes.
then don't delay and don't show your uh, don't hesitate to look up in dictionary or Google it, because if we procrastinate this, then we will never learn. And so I think this is the best way to make notes and revise
Okay,
them.
okay. Yes, yes. And one more. My question is, you know, many of time when I watch a movie, I get the new word, and that time I note down in my note, and I try to make some sentence using by this. But whenever I want to communicate with someone, that time I forget all these words. I never use a single word from my notes. So how we use
I
that word?
we all want to command on this thing only, that how can we use perfect word at a perfect time. So I think for the
Yes.
beginners, they should start writing a journal or a daily records. Okay, but while writing, don't use simple words. Okay, start take
Yes,
help
yes.
of Google or dictionary and make your journal with a rich vocab. And when you will be done with of 100 articles, I assure you, the impact of your hard work will reflect in your speaking too, because you till then you will be habitual of using rich vocab, because you will have to start your thinking or expressing your thoughts in a good language or using a good vocab too.
Okay, thank you so much, Vaishali. Next question I receive from live chat. I think Jasprit want to know why most of the people suck up fumble while speaking. What the reason behind that? Why people are get stuck when they fumble in between their sentences? Jasprit want to know.
I didn't get the question. Can you specify more?
Okay, Jasprit want to know that why most of the people stuck of fumble with the speaking. What's the reason behind that? Because most of the people
Okay,
stuck with the fumbles in between. Yeah.
I think it's a lack of fluency, and there is a problem. Actually, we are Indians have one problem. First, we start thinking in our mind, and we think in our local language, and then we translate it. Okay, so it takes time. I think we should work on thinking in English,
Yes, yes, yes.
and it is not a overnight process. It takes time.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Mother tongue, and then it convert in other language. I think it take more time. It get fumble. So we couldn't construct a particular sentence. So it's not a proper way. We should have to start with English only. So it is the only one way. So I received one more questions on live chat. Kirti want to ask you how much vocabulary we need Kirti.
Okay. Can you repeat the question?
The question is okay, the question is how much vocabulary, how much word we need, a minimum number to communicate with people, because English have a vast language. There are massive number of that. So how
Sir,
what
there's
is the
only
exact number?
what, like you want to ask how many number of vocabs you want to learn or anything else?
Yes.
Okay, Kirti. No,
No,
no.
no, no,
Yes.
yes.
or no. I think if you want to memorize your words, then you have to develop a environment in which you can practice more and more. Because we don't have a Anglosphere. So try to, if you select 5 or 6 words per
Yes.
day and try to make a paragraph or a story using that words, then you will get fluency too.
Okay. Uh, Vaishali, my next question is, there are lots of students who just want to improve their English. So as well as simultaneously, they just have to prepare for a competitive examination and all this. So tell me, which newspaper is helpful to improve
I
English?
think the
Which is
Hindu
the best
editorials,
newspaper?
and if you like
Okay.
novels, then you can prefer one author called Khalid Hosseini, and the novel is called The Kite Runner. Actually, it is recommended for CAT students too, and he has used very good language. And if you follow politician, then there is Mr. Shashi Tharoor. He's brilliant in English. You can follow his books and tweets or news too.
Okay, yeah, definitely. It will definitely help all the students who just want to improve their English and all these things. Okay, Vaishali, my next question is, that nowadays most of the students and most of the youngsters still busy with social media. Tell me one thing: how social media help us to improve our English? Because there are lots of applications.
Sir, actually, I don't think that social media helps in improving English because we we actually don't pay heed to the post or any article. We just scroll and waste our time. So I think you should have a dedicated platform too. Okay, so join a channel, community, or group in which you can practice and you can save your time and you can learn many things in less time. But on social media, you just scroll and diverted your mind only.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Social media is the distraction between the I received one question here.
Okay.
Okay, give me a few minutes. I received one question here from Ram. Ram want to ask you, Vaishali, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible to me.
Okay, am I audible to you,
Yes, yes,
Vaishali?
yes, you are audible. Yes, hello. Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes.
am I audible?
Hello.
Hello. Okay, okay, okay. My question is, I receive here questions from Ram. Ram want to ask you how to improve. Actually, Ram want to ask you because you know that most of the persons they impressed by the British
Sir,
accent,
I don't think you should
and
follow
Ram want
British
to
or
ask you
American
which
accents
accent I have to focus.
because in following those accents, we actually. Uh, Hello. Am I audible to you, sir? Hello.
Please continue.
Okay. So
Yes, yes,
we Indians have our own accent. So, okay,
yes.
we should we should practice on that to improve our pronunciation and just don't go for British or American accent.
Okay, okay. Next question I received from Manish. Manish want to know how can I improve my pronunciation of English vocab? It's a very basic question. Okay.
Okay, so whenever you find a new word, first check its pronunciation, then start practicing it. Because if you get habit of wrong pronunciation, then I think you will find difficulty to improve it later. So every time you come across with a new word, first check its pronunciation.
Okay. Next question I received from Manisha. Manisha Jha. She want to ask you. Her question is, uh, ma'am, can you tell me how much time it would take to get a fluency?
It,
How much time?
it's a matter of practice. The more you practice, the more fluent you will get.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Practice is the most important thing. Day by day, it's improve yourself.
It's
So
not a overnight process. You have to invest your time if you want to learn and if you want to have command on this language.
yes, yes, definitely, definitely. Yeah. Okay.
So
Uh,
one thing,
all
actually,
of yes,
okay.
yes,
So
please,
I
yes,
want to tell one or two methods to memorize the words too. I think
yes,
people
please.
find this is difficult. So I think learning from the root words is a very good method. I will give you one example too. Okay.
Yes,
Let's say there is a word called, actually root words has been taken from the Greek or Latin words. So there is a word called loqua. It means to speak. Okay. So there are six words that is derived from this root word only. First is loquacious. Okay. That means talkative. Okay.
yes,
Second
yes, yes,
is soliloquy. That means speaking alone. Third is ventriloquist. That means you have seen performers and artists performing puppet show that are called ventriloquists. Third is colloquial. It means use informal language in speaking. And fifth is circumlocution. It means to speak in indirectly way. And sixth is laconicity. It means using less words in your speaking. So, have you seen this? That from a word you can derive many words. If you follow this process of vocab learning from root words, you will learn thousands of words. Okay, and this is the simplest method
yes,
I
yes.
follow.
Okay, okay. Thank you. It's some very interesting information you share here. I received one more questions from Joshi. I don't know. Okay, the question is, how can I distinguish between nouns, adjective, and adverb?
I
And
think this
how
is
can
a
I?
okay. So this is a grammar portion. First, you need to
Okay.
get through its definition, and then you will getting start distinguishes between them.
Okay, okay. Next question I received from Gaurav. Gaurav want to know that how much grammar we have to learn from speaking for speak better English. Oh, what is the importance of grammar for speaking English?
Okay. You know what? Indians actually speak better and correct language than Americans. Okay. You will
Okay,
find it
okay,
funny, but it is true because we actually pay heed and pay attention on grammar rules, but they don't. So yes, there are 50 or 60 basic rules. If you follow them, you can speak very well. And
okay.
in
Thank you
those,
so
you
much.
will
Okay.
study in 1 month or 40 days normally.
Okay, okay. So apart from this, grammar is very important. You should have to follow a
Yes,
basic rule. Yeah. Okay. You know, before a few days, you joined English Community Telegram channel. Okay.
yes.
And how was your experience of English Community channel? Is it very helpful or not?
Yes, of course, it is very helpful. I mentioned in my this interview that we don't have an Anglosphere. It means we don't have environment in which we can find many people with English speaking. So you need a dedicated channel for it where you can practice more and more. And I love the activities English communication organized by speaking let's talk activity and the topic you give every day. It is brilliant and it
Yes,
will
yes.
definitely help everyone to overcome their fear and they will boost up their confidence in speaking too.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to share here. English community is the best platform to beginner. There are lots of activity. If you participate in that activity, you will get the best experience.
Actually, sir,
So
one important
yes,
thing is that on English community channel, people can express their views without being judged, and this is the most beautiful thing about this channel.
yes, yes, yes. Definitely, I think it's a good
Yes,
platform for beginner. And if they do not want to pay somewhere, and if they do not want to get a subscription from paid classes, so it's a good platform. And there are lots of activity. It's very have their Vaishali have her own YouTube channel. And there are lots of interesting videos are there which is related to our English and which is very interesting to vocabulary. And if you watch that if you watch her video, you will definitely improve your vocabulary. So her YouTube channel name is Manthan IS. So Vaishali, could you please tell which kind of content in your YouTube channel, please?
okay, sir. Actually, I have passion for teaching and learning my knowledge, so I have started making videos on vocabulary. But if you are preparing for civil services
Yes, yes.
examinations, you can find a brilliant stuff on this channel.
Yes, yes, and every day I receive different kind of vocab from your channel. So all of you who is watching this video, just go through the description. I already mentioned the link of Vaishali channel. The channel name is Manthan IS. It's a fabulous and very interesting channel. You must have to visit there once, and you will definitely like the channel. So apart from this, all of you, if you like this channel, if you like this information, if you like this all the information, please hit on the like button. And after all that, Vaishali, thank you so much for giving your precious time for this interview.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And I request all of you, please join and please visit once. I assure you, you will never try to leave it again. English community is the best channel to actually you will get quizzes and to increase your IQ level too.